11.2 Exponents, page 8. Michael.
What's up, Mike?
I'll be Jay.
Yeah.
Need a Lena.
Lena. I will.
All right, thank you. Okay, continue. Thinking out loud.
I don't get no quotation marks. Each time we move one step in the whole table, we're doubling.
These numbers are related in other ways too. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 8 is 32. 8 times 8 is 64.
So there's more than one doubling pattern. There's also multiplication by 4 and 8. And maybe others too.
All right, so let's take a look at how to figure this out. So 2 to the first, 2 to the second, 2 to the third, 2 to the fourth. We can continue on with that. Easy for me to say. With just raising the exponent. Okay, now the most common mistake on here is you think that that is 2 times 3 or 2 times 4. Okay, that's not the case. It means that you have 4 2s. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 5 2s. 2 times 2 times 2, 5 times. Okay, so what is 2 to the fourth?
16.
Can you continue up for me?
25.
No.
Can you just look at being 5?
2 times 2, 5 times.
30.
Well, here's 4 of them, remember? So it's just that one times 2.
31.
32.
32. Oh, it's close. I said 31.
64. 128.
You just keep on adding the two up together.
156.
No. That's like 152. 154.
146.
It's
256.
I was
Oh,
close.
256.
I was close. I was really
Oh,
close.
that's my bad.
Kira, why do you always laugh at me? Like, it's not nice.
5.
What if I was choking on a cereal? Would you be laughing at me?
Yeah.
You probably would.
Or I would cry. Because I hate scary
12.
situations.
512. 1024. 2080. No. 2048. Yeah.
Yeah, if you've ever played that game, I think it's called 2048.
Yeah.
Those are the numbers you get.
Yeah, 2048 is pretty fun.
Right, using exponents. Last one, Mel. Apparently you're taking all of these for me since nobody else is trying.
248 the highest number you can get in that game?
No, you can get higher. It's the max we can do. 4,000.
I bet you never made that high.
4096, sorry.
Stop.
4096.
My brother.
I have gotten 4096 on that game.
You have?
I have not gotten higher than that.
Is that
Because in
right?
order to get that high, then you'd need two
The highest
4096s.
I got was like 5 something.
All right, continue on. Well, it makes sense if we would see a pattern, Landon, by 4, because multiplying by 4 is the same thing as multiplying by 2, and multiplying by 2 again.
Oh yeah, you can see that in the table. Since multiplying by 4 is the same thing as doubling 2 times, multiplying by 4 is the same as jumping up 2 spaces on the table.
I see it. Start at 2 and 3. I don't know.
2 to
Jump
the third
2
power.
to the third power. Jump to 2 spaces, and you land at 2 to the 5th power. You basically just landed 8 4 times. And 8 times 4, which is 32.
All right, explain why it makes sense that jumping 3 places, like going from these 3, is like multiplying by 8. 16 times 8 gives us this.
Because that's 2 to the 1 power and 7, or 2 to the 7th power, so you're just adding that 1 power to the 7th power to get 2 to the 8th power.
So how many 2's did I end up adding
8, 2,
to go from 4 to 7?
2, 9. No, wait, 4 to 7? 3.
3. 5, 6, 7, right? So you are jumping 3 2's, which is 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So again, common answer there is people say, well, it's 6 times bigger. 3 2's. But it's not 2 times 3, it's 3 2's. So that's the biggest thing to remember. So jumping up 5 spaces is like multiplying by
8.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
which is
10.
32.
not 2
32.
times 5. That's a common mistake.
30.
2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2.
2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2
25.
is 16. 32.
6 times 2 is 32.
I said that.
Yeah, Kier
So
did say
did
that.
I.
No, Kier said it first, so.
All right. 2 to the first times 2 to the fifth is 2 to the sixth. Jumping up 5 places to go from first to 6. 2 to the fourth times 32 would jump you to 2 to the
5. 5th power.
no,
6th power.
no.
Wait, it's 32. Which is 2 to the 5th power and it's 2 fourth, 2 to the 9th power. 9.
Yes. So 2 to the fourth and move up 5, we would be at 2 to the 9th. Okay, how about C? 2 to the what power
4. No. 3, I'm sorry.
times
Third.
2 to the 5th power
3rd power.
would give me 2 to the 12th power.
7th power.
7.
Oh, I thought it was
7 plus 5 is how we'd get to the 12. Mel, don't answer the last one, please. Somebody else. D.
36.
Nope.
I know it.
What?
Kira?
I don't get this.
32. No, I thought.
Nope. What this is saying is I'm at 2 to the 6th power, and I go up 5 places.
So 7?
Started,
11?
Yeah, 11. 6 plus 5 is
Oh, yeah.
11.
What? I don't know.
Oh, that's how you do
Just
it.
add the exponents.
Ooh, I get it.
All right, jumping up 10 places
Oh no.
would be like multiplying by 2 to the 10th. Question 4a. What goes in the blank?
2 to the 10th power. 5.
Okay, Mel, you got this down. Let somebody else answer, please. B?
2 to the 11.
Hey, Landon's got it. Maddie
15. Oh.
or Kira?
2 to the 11.
Nope.
2 to the 15. I just said the answer.
Landon.
Landon, stop saying the answer.
Well, I said it in the beginning, and then she said 2 to the 11.
Landon, do not answer this question.
Okay.
20.
Good.
Good job, Kira.
Thanks.
Jumping down 2 spaces.
Jumping down.
Okay, now going down. So instead of multiplying, I'm going to divide by 2 to the 2nd or 4. Going the other direction. All right, next page. Fill in the powers of 3. So we covered powers of 2. A couple powers of 3 here. 3 squared is?
9.
3 cubed is?
27.
3 to the 4th is?
Um,
You can answer this one if you want, Mel.
54. No, 64.
81.
Dang it.
And times 3 again would be 243.
Yeah, it's times 3, not 2.
wait, so is 81 plus 81, does that equal 243?
No.
Multiplying, not adding.
162.
Okay, so 81 times 81 equals 243.
3 times.
All right. Describe the effect of jumping up 2 spaces. Okay, so jumping up 2 spaces is like multiplying by.
Oh, stop with their feet.
Multiplying. Jumping up 2 spaces is like multiplying by 3 squared, which is 9. I hope this is making sense for you guys because we're not participating much. So
What? I'm participating.
you're more worried about stomping your feet.
That,
Question 8.
Stopping their feet. Ow.
3 to the second times 3 to the what is 3 to the fourth. Mel, go ahead.
3 to the first. It'd be 3 to the first power.
Nope.
3 to the second power.
Yep. 2 plus 2 is 4.
Yeah.
Oh, times.
Next one.
3 to the 15.
Nope.
Oh, no, not 3 to the 5th.
5.
Let's go.
Next one.
3 to the 5th.
I was going to say that.
Next one.
3 to the 11th.
10.
3 to the 10th.
8 plus 2.
Oh, you want to go?
Don't even start.
I just wanted to go.
Remember what happened last time?
All right, question 9.
That was Devin.
Yeah, no. And they start crying in the office.
All right, pick one. Mel,
Yeah, we're even asking. For which, like, number 9?
let's do one together, then I have you do them.
D.
D.
4.
5 to the third, 5 to the first, and 5 to the 10th. Here's the most.
5 to the 12th.
No,
Because you have to add the other 5.
incorrect.
Yo,
Oh.
wait.
All right, if it does not tell you the exponent, it's 1.
5 to the 14th.
Yeah, I
So
thought-
3 plus 1 plus 10 is 14. I'd like you
Go.
to do the other 7, please.
Oh, easy.
I thought that they were the 1. It's not my fault. I'm just blind.
Shush.
Please try those.
I'm done.
Yeah, these were really easy. Miss Milburn, we need harder ones.
Be quiet, Landon.
All right, Maddie, go ahead. A.
3 to the 19th.
Good. Landon, B.
12 to the 20th. 12 to the 10th. Oh, wait, no, I mean the wrong one. 8 to the 18th.
Mel,
Yeah, C.
C.
12 to the 10th.
Kira, E.
X to the 5th.
Maddie, F.
A to the 24th.
Mel, G.
Oh, come on.
8 to the 37th.
Lando.
W to the 22.
22nd.
Yeah, remember that's a 1 there.
Yeah, W to the 22.
It's to the 22nd.
It's the same
No,
thing.
it's not.
All right, question number 10.
You too.
Wait, what?
Both of these statements are true. X to the 5th times X to the 5th is X to the 10th. That's just what we got done doing. It says X to the 5th plus X to the 5th means I have 2 X to the 5ths. That's correct as well. It says, why do you think people want to do this?
It's easier.
Which is wrong.
It's easier.
Oh, because it's not multiple.
Oh,
Right,
no,
but
because
why do we fall for that?
There's 2 X's. There's 2 X's.
Right, so what the exponents mean is you have
1.
5 X's,
You do 5X. And
right? And if I'm adding another 5 X's, that means I have 2 sets of 5 X's. Whereas if you're multiplying them, I can combine them all. I can combine how many X's I have, because there I have 10 X's. So adding and multiplying are 2 very different things, especially when you're talking exponents.
Wait, so then why do you have 10 X's if you don't put the 10 in the front of the X?
If I was to add them, that's just what we got done talking about,
Oh,
then I would have 10 X's.
okay.
But we're multiplying, so I'm multiplying. This is shorthand for writing this. If you don't like exponents, you could write this out each time.
Okay.
All right, number 11. Who do we finish with? Kira, did you do the last one?
No,
Landon
I
did.
did.
Kira, you got 11.
Oh, why did I do the last
2
one?
to the what?
What do you mean I did the last
You
one?
You did W2.
You did the last one we talked about, Landon.
Oh, yeah.
2 to the 11.
So A is 11. B, back to you, Maddie.
B to the second.
Melody.
C to 7.
Landon.
Oh, like 7. No, 6-5.
It's good. Okay, I'd like you to do 15, please.
Okay.
Don't say it out loud. Landon.
Yo, that's a little insulting right there.
Is it though? Is it?
That was like mean towards me. Like that felt mean.
Okay.
So select all, Landon. I'm guessing that means there's more than one.
Oh, yeah.
If we're done with that, can we go to 16?
Why don't you do 15 first?
Okay. What's this for?
I don't want any tears to get on your paper.
Oh, so mean.
Well, no, I legitimately don't. Looking out for your well-being, Landon.
I'm a
And he misses.
All right, who thinks they got one?
I
You
get
can
to
do that too.
Mel.
And then
A.
no.
Another one?
See,
C.
you play basketball.
C.
I'm better than you. I beat you in
D.
There you go. Better have 3 of them.
Well, I have
2 or 1.
I have 1 out of the
Write
lot.
3 equivalent expressions for this. All right, so give me another one that would give me the same answer as this.
4 and
Four
13.
Go ahead, Maddie.
4 9s plus or
No.
multiply 4 4.
Okay, Mel, can you do a different one, please? Wants 3 of them.
Oh,
4 11s plus times 4 2.
Yeah, be careful on the plus.
Yeah.
Both of you wanted to say plus.
Yeah.
Need one of you two to say one, please.
4,
I got
5.
1 4 and something with Kira.
And
And
4,
then 11.
6. 7th.
Wait, no! No! 6.
Brandon's messing her up.
She said both of us.
No. Kira's
8.
going.
4.
Landon just keeps saying 4. Practicing his golf game.
Yeah.
Now practice for next Monday.
4.
What?
All right.
Oh, boys golf is next Monday. The most favorite sport.
Try those 4.
I'm in that.
Nah.
17 through 20.
No one
Oh,
even
these
likes
four?
tennis. I don't
No one
want
likes boys golf either.
Maddie, which one do you want?
I want 19.
Do them all. Report back for 19. Mel, which one do you want? 17. Do them all. Please report back for 17. Kira, which one do you want?
Which ones are taken?
All right, you can have 18 or 20.
Okay. I'll do 20.
Okay. Landon, you get 18.
Let's go.
Do them all, then report back, please.
Well, that was easy. Oh, I got that one.
That's
the easiest one I've ever gotten. I should join the basketball team.
You should not.
I could not see you being basketball.
Not.
Got the height, yo.
either.
No, you don't.
You have half the height of them. Yeah, you do.
All right, who had 17? What do you got?
2.
Correct. 18?
I'm so better than you.
Madeline.
18?
I'm not 18.
You're 18.
Oh,
right?
2.
No.
5.
19?
Seriously, Brandon? 19 is 4 squared. 4.
No! Seriously, no.
20?
To the 2.
I got
14.
I'm 4 to the 2. 4, 2, 6. That's literally what
Oh, I
wrote
didn't
down.
see the equal sign.
Oh my word!
Last one's wrong.
Oh my word!
I didn't see
Two.
that. Hang on,
Oh,
can I get a
10.
chance to do
I'm
it?
stupid. I'm too
Never mind. Never mind.
Guys, we're just adding here.
Maddie tries to
I'm disappointed we had 3 of those incorrect.
I didn't see the equal sign.
1 plus 1 plus what is 6?
4.
Yes, but that's not what we said.
2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals
Next
8.
one, yes, they had to equal 4, and there's 2 of them.
What's the 2?
The answer was 2. Well, I was just looking for the 2.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought.
But 4 to the 2 would be fine. It's just asking for P, though. And then this one should equal 12.
I didn't see the equal sign.
2 plus what is 12? And that's, of course,
No
10.
one told me there was an
We
equal
all
sign.
got it wrong.
All right.
I'm
In the yellow rectangle there. Guys, we are talking a lot when we are not supposed to be. Maybe that's why we're getting these easier ones wrong.
Maybe.
Okay, it says here's a couple ways to picture how big 2 to the 5th is. 2 to the 1st would be 2 circled. 2 to the 2nd would be 4 circled. 2 to the 3rd would be 8 circled. 2 to the 5th would be 32 circled. That's how many dots there are inside of the circles. Could also do it this way as well. It says using this method, figure out how many dots are below.
Oh.
Okay, so 2 to the 1st is 2.
Ow.
2 to the 2nd,
9.
2 to the 2nd.
Oh, 6.
2 to the 2nd is 4.
Gee.
Oh, wait, I was looking at 4.
2 to the 3rd,
8.
2 to the 4th,
16. 4 rows.
2 to the 5th,
32.
that'd be 8 by 4. So that's 2 to the 5th. How about 2 to the 6th?
64.
That'd be 8 by 8. 7.
Oh, 128.
128 would be another times 2, doubling it. So that means the whole thing would be 2 to the 8th power. So I'm just doubling the amount of circles each time. Ooh, I lied. You see, this was 2 to the 6th, right?
Yeah.
Well, then we're doubling it, so that would be the next one. This should be 2 to the 7th. I did one too many.
How dare you, Mr. Gilbrand?
All right, we're doing the same thing for 22. We got a chance of redemption here.
Don't lie.
It says, how long would it take us to plant all of those plants?
First one would be 6. Next one would
Let's see, they're tripling, though, not doubling, tripling. So 3 to the 1st.
be 9.
3 to the 1st is 3. Landed.
Oh, 7.
3 to the 2nd.
9.
So we'll circle 9. Third.
27.
So that would be 9 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. By 3.
81. The next one.
3 to the 4th, 81. So that'd be 9 by 9. So this was 9 here. 9 this way here.
Next one would be 243.
3 to the 5th. So triple. Not 35. 3 to the 5th. Triple what I just got done doing. This was 9 going this way.
And 9 going down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that'd be doubling it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it'd be the whole thing.
That is way too
Triple. So how many years?
A lot of years.
3 to 5th.
Nope.
3 to 5 squared.
Nope.
3 in the 5th power.
9 to 5. 9 to 6.
How many years?
Years?
A lot of years. Unlimited.
Three.
1, 2, 3. I only had 27 after 3.
27.
7? No.
How many circles did I draw?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There you go.
5.
That's all I was asking for.
I was
We had to do it 5 times.
So 5 years.
Yeah, I'm not sure that's so close to your infinity guess. All right, question 23.
Man, you said a lot of numbers too.
With what we know about exponents, let's see if we can figure this out.
Okay.
6a squared times a to the 5th.
10. No, oh no,
6
nah,
and
nah, nah.
7.
6 is just 8 and 7.
Yeah, add them together, not multiply.
12 and 8.
8,
5th. 12 and 8.
Multiply the front numbers, add the exponents.
6 and 8 or 4th.
Okay, try the last one.
Alright,
Without
so-
saying anything.
Okay.
Landon.
I didn't say anything for a while.
Yes, you did. But okay.
Now you're probably just jealous. I'm alright.
Yeah, she seems super jealous back there.
Oh, yeah, I do.
I mean, I'm just jealous I can get my homework done.
Are you seriously laughing at your own side joke?
Kira's even laughing at it too.
Because you're giggling.
I'm
You're
laughing at
his laugh.
Oh,
Did
yeah,
you
it
not
is.
hear it?
Oh my goodness.
That laugh.
Oh god. I'm done.
Melody, top left, middle, or middle right? Which one you want to give me?
Middle, no. Top, no. Middle. 6y7. Yeah.
Lambden,
Really?
top left, or middle right?
I'll just choose the top right.
No option for the top right,
Top left.
which was one of the options.
5y8. Or 5y and then the 8 on the
5y to the 8th.
yes. That.
Maddie, you want the last one?
Sure. Y to the second.
Or to the third actually.
Remember, this is like a 1 there.
Ha 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 ha
Add them together.
ha.
All right, so what would this look like? It'd be y squared times 5y to the 8th plus 6y to the 5th plus y. And that equals everything in the middle. 5y to the 10th plus 6y to the 7th plus y cubed. Again, you can only combine like terms there. Take a look at the homework starting on page 11.
No, you just missed like the best part. That was something new right there, Mr. Albright.
Page 11.
Child, be quiet.
Okay, pretty self-explanatory. We've done all these parts. Make sure for H, I, J, and K, it does say 3 expressions. You do have lots of different options for that. For the second box here, kind of towards the bottom, be careful. One of those says multiply, one of those says add. That is not the same thing. That is not the same thing. So you got all of it. It is just one page. Page 11. Good luck.